So this is the fifth chapter of Think and Grow Rich. Hmm? I'll not be touching all of it, but thoda bahut we will see what it is talking about and just we can apply in our life. Yeah. And the first thing it talks about is, auto suggestion. Do you remember Anandita, Huldi, Neha? Did you do my class for auto suggestion? No,
No,
na?
I don't think
No, no.
no.
You joined recently, yeah.
Yes.
Anandita, do you remember auto suggestion?
Na, go, sorry. Bhule kuch.
Auto suggestion was like, we were talking about the fact that, knowingly or unknowingly, we are always suggesting something to ourselves. Our life is an accumulation of all the suggestions that we gave to ourselves. Oh, I'm foolish. Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, I'm ugly. Oh, I'm not good enough. You know, I'm not worthy of receiving love. So many auto suggestions because of some incident or trauma happened, and we developed a belief. So belief system helps, creates auto suggestion. So we start giving like auto suggestion to ourselves. Hmm? So, if you remember that, the way we give negative suggestion, the same way now we can give positive suggestion to ourselves to change the patterns that we created in our past. All the patterns, all of my life is because of all the suggestion that I have given. Mera life agar it's worst, it's in a very bad situation, it is because of all the auto suggestion that I have given. So now what I need to do is that I have to give opposites auto suggestion. I'm so lucky. I'm so blessed. Hmm? I'm so worthy of receiving the best. I'm so lovable. All these things, whatever you feel you are doing something negative, you have to bring in the opposite, and give your auto suggestion, change your auto suggestions. So यहाँ पे in this chapter, again it's because it's a book of money. So but you can apply to other areas as well. But यहाँ पे they are giving 6 steps about what to do, how to manifest. Okay, so it says, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. It is not sufficient merely to say I want plenty of money. Be definite about the amount. Okay, so now it is not just auto suggestion, it is talking about visualization as well. Visualization with feelings, right? Now I have to visualize. For that I have to have a very concrete kind of thing ना. अब मुझे पता होना चाहिए मुझे क्या चाहिए. मैं अगर यूनिवर्स को मिक्स सिग्नल्स दे रही हूँ, मुझे ये चाहिए, फिर मैं बोलती हूँ मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. अगर कंफ्यूज्ड हो तो सरेंडर कर दो कि यूनिवर्स मुझे पता नहीं, आप जानो. अगर कंफ्यूज नहीं हो तो you have to be very clear about how much money you want and all these things. Knowing that, and as I said that we also have to, rich people play to win, poor people play to not lose. Do you remember that? It should be out of fun, am I going, let's see if I can win, out of joy we are going to play. So agar play karna hai to everything has to be in a playful mode. We can target an amount, and maybe this much, maybe this year, by this end of this year I should be earning this much, but or by the end of the coming 2 years, no, end of the next year, I should be earning this much. This has to be your suggestion or goal. Then it says determine exactly what you intend to give in return for the money you desire. Okay, at the same time, here it has to be a middle path, friends. Okay, here some things I will change and I'll tell you the signs. One is, first of all, okay, sometimes you sometimes it can be a passive income. You don't even have to work hard. It will come on its own. So ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हमको हमेशा अगर लगता है ना I have to work hard to get money, then I will always be thinking that no, it's not enough, I have to work even more to earn so much more. But see, friends, in so many ways we are giving out to the universe. When we are meditating, we are sending love and light to everybody, asking the universe to enlighten everybody. So many ways we are actually creating causes. हमको लगता है फिजिकल कॉज करेंगे तो ही पैसा आएगा. समझ रहे हो? इट्स अ द यूनिवर्स इज द लॉ ऑफ कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. हम जितना सेवा करेंगे, हम अगर सिर्फ उस पे नहीं सोच के भी हम सिर्फ सेवा पे सोचे, लोगों का भलाई सोचे एंड एवरीथिंग, इट्स ऑल्सो अ लॉट ऑफ कॉज विच कैन ब्रिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इफेक्ट इन आवर लाइफ. So don't think in exact proportion. I have to work extremely hard, then only I have to get money. Okay. So don't think in that way. You have to trust कि मुझे intuition आ रहा है, मुझे इतना काम करना है, यहाँ यहाँ effort देना है. But at the same time, we cannot be lazy also. This is the middle path. आई कैनॉट बी लेजी एंड सेइंग ये भगवान जाने क्या भगवान सब करेगा। भगवान क्या है, भगवान भी मैं हूँ। श्री एम बोल रहे थे when he was giving a lecture on Vashisht yoga, Yog Vashisht. Well, it's called Gita for Ram used to take this this Yog Vashisht as his Gita. And there Shri Ram, Ram was asking about what is action, how much action we should be doing, and effort, what is will, and all these things. And he said that, will is not about surrendering everything to the universe and say tum jano Bhagwan. वो बोल रहा है कि इट इज ऑल्सो द एफर्ट इज ऑल्सो द विल, इज द एफर्ट इज ऑल्सो डिवाइन विल। इन योग वशिष्ठ इट टॉक्स अबाउट कि तुम जो एफर्ट दे रहे हो ना वो भी डिवाइन विल है। तो उतना एफर्ट तो हमको देना है, वॉट एवर इंट्यूशन इज कमिंग एंड आई नीड टू एक्ट, I need to give my whole heart in whatever action I need to take. That I have to take. He said, you cannot say that, you cannot be lazy and say that I'm surrendering everything and paisa aa jayega. At the same time, you cannot go to the other extreme. हाँ, so that's why we have to understand कि मैं कौन से tangent पे हूँ, कौन से side में, am I an extremely lazy person? Then I have to have an effort, make my effort as the divine will. Shri M was saying your effort, your will is the divine will. When you're putting whole heart in taking some action to earn money, that is your divine will. At the same time, not also having this concept of belief that I have to work, toil morning and evening, then only money will come. So सबका ना अलग अलग learning है friends. That's why we cannot say that the same learning applies to everybody. If someone is too workaholic and thinks I have to work hard to earn money, then that person has to learn to surrender. And someone who is lazy and all the time surrendering, that person has to learn to work hard. Okay. So here it is where the second part is where you will be deciding, I will be working in this area. हाँ, तो knowing कि इस एरिया में मैं अच्छी हूँ, this is a gift that I have. Through by giving this gift, I will be earning this much of money by the end of the year. Then don't make a fixed plan कि ऐसा 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 करूंगी तभी जाके वो पैसा आएगा. You never know. You just trust that by giving this seva or this service, whatever gift you have with maybe, as for example, Neha is a Zumba instructor. She suddenly decides that instead of just teaching people you are live in Jamshedpur, right, Neha? Okay. So
It's
wherever
Roorkee.
Roorkee, yes,
Roorkee.
Roorkee. So maybe she is deciding that instead of just doing teaching Zumba to people in Roorkee, I want to go global or, at least pan India. या उसके लिए मुझे इंटरनेट चाहिए, ये चाहिए, मुझे पब्लिसिटी चाहिए एंड एवरीथिंग. So then she has to work on it. But at the same time, she will get that intuition that, okay, right now, this is my, not just working randomly like in headless chicken. But when you say that by this time, I want this much of money in my life, then and you are very sure meditating every day with goals. And when we do this intense breath work and you hold it in the third eye, we are also giving a lot of power to the will. So when you are giving that power to the will, you can will that whatever is your will. Somebody wants to get a job, somebody wants to get something, they can will in that third eye and say, I am going to earn this much by this date. After that, don't use your brain कि कैसे होगा, ऐसे करूंगी वैसे करूंगी. वो यूनिवर्स ना गाइड करेगा आपको. देन वो इंट्यूटिवली एक्शन लेने हैं, लेकिन इंट्यूटिव एक्शन, इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन बोलते हैं इसको, कि मुझे आ रहा है कि मुझे ऐसे काम करना चाहिए, नो मैटर हाउ अनरीजनेबल इट इज. द एक्शन ऑल्सो और द मनी ऑल्सो. समटाइम्स मनी सोचते कि बहुत ज्यादा टारगेट मत रखो. आई ऑलवेज सेड इफ यू कीप अ ह्यूज टारगेट द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड डज नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट. बट एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा अपने हैसियत के ऊपर तो टारगेट रखो. And don't think ये तो unreasonable है, कैसे possible है. No, no, no. The universe, हम meditate करते क्यों हैं? हम meditate करते ही है ना कि impossible को possible करे, right? So make a little bit, don't worry about its unreasonable goal. Make a goal once you're कि हाँ बहुत ज्यादा नहीं कि मुझे डरा दे, बहुत कम भी नहीं है कि मैं I'm shrinking. Make a goal and then work towards it. And also don't think अगर कोई डाउनलोड आ रहा है, इंट्यूशन आ रहा है, जितना भी अनरीजनेबल हो, कभी कभी लग रहा है कि नहीं मुझे ये लेना चाहिए, तो टेक इट विद जॉय. Have it with fun. Have it with the understanding that even if I fail, what happens? Was क्या फर्क होता है? मैं तो I'm learning, right? Do you remember when I was taking the class of Rich Dad Poor Dad? He was saying rich people, they play and they are never fearful of losing money. They always feel, whenever they lose money, also they feel, oh, good, at least I'm learning from it. I have learned some lesson by losing money. They don't get into that mode, oh my God, मेरा तो जीवन बर्बाद हो गया, मेरे पैसे चले गए and everything. They think, wow, गए गए लेकिन मैं बहुत कुछ सीख लिया इससे, next time ये repeat नहीं करूंगा. This is the rich dad mentality, right? So this is what we will do. So then again, a definite date. I told you a definite date is so important. Okay. Establish a definite date when you intend to possess the money you desire. Hmm? So that you can do it. एक definite date रखो. Especially 31st January हमारे लिए मजे का होता है. तो सब लोग गोल रखते हैं तो हम रख सकते हैं वैसा. So then so now write it out. And then again, writing is so important, friends. क्यों writing important है? You know why? One is it gives a physical form to our wishes. It gives a physical form to our issue. Materialize होने के लिए हमको उसको physical form देना है ना. तो पहला physical form वो writing से आ जाता है. Another reason why we write is, friends, because we are very greedy people. हम ना फ्लक्चुएट करते रहते हैं. आज ये चाहिए, कल वो चाहिए, कल ये नहीं चाहिए, परसों फिर से यही चाहिए. हाँ, जिसको बोला कि वो नहीं चाहिए, फिर हमको लगता है कि नहीं नहीं यही चाहिए. So we are so fluctuating. But once we have decided that this is what I want, once I write it down, no matter how much your mind is changing, because you are writing it down before meditation, you will only see this goal and work. Otherwise, क्या होता है? Because if we are continuously changing our goals, the universe also gets confused. It cannot work smoothly, properly in a flow state. Okay, so that's why it's so important. ठीक है? So and then it's like an affirmation. You can visualize this. At the same time, you can read this goal. And right? Affirmations, auto suggestions हम क्या करते हैं? हम present tense में करते हैं. I am earning this much every year by the 31st. Every year I earn this much. Whatever. If you can make a goal if you have written it down. And by giving this service, you can also write like that. If you're very clear कि कौन से service से आपको ये पैसा आप चाहते हो, वो भी लिख सकते हो. By offering this service, out of love and joy, I am earning this much every year. If you don't know what the service you want to offer and you are trusting the universe के बहुत तरीके से आ सकते हैं ना. Sometimes है कि we are so multi-talent. देखिए हम ये करके भी पैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं, वो करके भी पैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं, बहुत वे में. तो if you are not very sure, then don't write this. Just write the target goal of money, and you say that I'm ready to offer whatever it needs to. I need to offer from my side. Okay, and you will be reading it in present tense every day. ठीक है? So then, friends, what we are going to do is that, yeah. So friends, yeah. So, friends, another thing, this is my personal experience, friends, and I'm sharing my experience, connecting it to this. Many times when you talk, as for example, my father has done meditation. He has done 40 days of meditation of, QLU and all these things he has done. Still, he is not a believer of the universe. He keeps saying me, you have learned science. I've learned science till 12th. So he said, you have learned science and you are speaking so nonsense. He would always argue with me in these, in meditation and all these things. So I could not give him any logic. So in many ways, I sometimes no, don't argue and I just keep quiet because he's not ready to absorb the spiritual science in many ways. In that cases, these kind of books work very well, friend. Okay, because here they are giving proper examples of doctors, psychologists who are applying this technique and they are getting wonderful benefits for their patients. Okay, so here he talks about the fact that Sigmund Freud was a psychologist, very very famous psychologist. I'm sure many of you must be knowing his name. And during that same time of Sigmund Freud, there was another psychologist called Kuh, Emil Kuh. Okay. And this psychologist, he was as there were psychosomatic patients coming to him who used to say that they have a lot of problem in the body and everything, लेकिन कोई problem दिख नहीं रहा था. Hmm? And as I told you, right, a lot of research, Louis Hay's research, spiritual scientist Louis Hay, she did research on diseases and she found all the diseases of our body are psychosomatic. पहले हमारे दिमाग नेगेटिव हो जाता है, हम नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस बनाते हैं, उस नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस से हमारा बॉडी इफेक्ट होता है. Okay, so I already explained about it, so I don't need to explain that. But in the same way here, Emil Koo also talks about the same, that all his patients, most of his patients were psychosomatic patients. Hmm? And so how to change, they had a lot of pain, लेकिन टेस्ट करते थे तो nothing would come out. There were no disease, they were no, like normal clear signs of that person has some kind of illness was seen, but still the person would say कि कुछ तो problem है मेरे life में, body में, and all these things. So what Koo gave auto suggestion to these patients were that this was an auto suggestion. Friends, you can write it down, it works like wonders. Okay, this is what I have done with my father, and I'll tell you what I did. So this suggestion I gave to my father. So few days back, my mother called up. She was tensed, worried. My father has arthritis, and she was, she was crying. She was almost at the verge of like, crying, saying they may, if anything happens to your father, what will happen to me? I'll become totally alone, and what will I do? And all these things she was cribbing. And then she said, your father is becoming weaker, weaker day by day. That's what she was continuously suggesting. See how suggestion works. She is suggesting this. Hmm? And after talking to her, I said, Papa ko phone do. Hmm? And I spoke to my father and asked him that, are you feeling weak these days? Your mama is saying that, you're becoming weaker day by day and all this thing. And what my father said? He said, I am not becoming weak. Your mother is making me weak. Yeah. She said she's continuously putting things in my mind, saying that तुम बुढ़े हो गए हो, तुम बूढ़े हो गए हो, तुम मर जाओगे बहुत जल्दी. You are getting so weak. I'm so worried. What will happen to me? And he said, I am, even with my arthritis and everything, I am walking, doing everything, going out to the bazaar and shopping, doing everything. Still, when your mother is all the time cribbing that I'm becoming weaker, and because she's continuously telling this, I'm becoming weaker. And that's when this suggestion, I said, forget mama, she will keep saying all these things. What you have to do is that you have to follow this auto suggestion. And I told him, I explained to him, Baba, it is not just mumbo jumbo. These were used by psychologists. Because, Emil Koo, psychologist, very famous, and all these research. And I told him that, so many patients got benefited and they recovered from this auto suggestion, this affirmation. And he said, okay, send it to me. And he started doing. And after that, neither my mother is cribbing nor my father looks weak. Okay. And the auto suggestion, please write it down. This is the auto suggestion that I shared it with my father. It's every day in, yeah, but I don't know who you are. Sorry for late join. Motorola Edge 50. You have to tell me your name. Oh, Ria. Okay, no problem, Ria. So, you every day in every way, I am getting better and better. Okay. Keep, even people, some people, some of us, like many of us, we say ना कि तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, ये नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, टेंशन हो रहा है. हम विमेन को तो बहुत होता है. हमारे हॉर्मोन्स इतने अप डाउन करते हैं कि हम आधा टाइम ही ये सब हम we keep falling sick, right? So keep telling yourself this every day, in every way I am getting better and better. Keep telling. Whenever you feel weak, don't let the mind overpower you. You feel it that I'm getting better, I'm getting better, I'm getting better. Okay. So then, friends, so yes, see again, so why I'm sharing this is, friends, we will also be having a lot of people who are not very spiritual, but at the same time, they can benefit from this. Here, they are saying that there was this man called Dr. O. Carl Simonton. He was an oncologist. Yeah. And what happened is this man, he had a lot of cancer patients coming to him, terminally ill patients, but just by helping them learn to visualize. And this is what it is saying. Uh, at about the same time, Dr. O. Carl Simonton, an oncologist, concluded that cancer patients who used visualization in conjunction with chemotherapy treatments had a marked improvement over those who didn't. His bestseller, Getting Well Again, had a profound impact, and it was followed by books from other respected medical professionals such as Love Medicine and Miracles by Dr. Bernie Siegel. So see, he has written a book on this, that how visualization can really cure patients, terminally ill patients. Yeah. सो ये मम्बो जम्बो नहीं है, ये साइकोलॉजिस्ट ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट यूज कर रहे हैं अपने मेन स्ट्रीम मेडिकल प्रोफेशन में. Okay. So friends, so let us use this power of visualization. Let us use the power of auto suggestions. Tell yourself always good things. Tell yourself that you are so blessed. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं ना कि हम कितने अभागे हैं. Thankfully, I told you a few days back also, for some reason my mother always says that I'm very lucky. She says that you are very lucky. The moment you were born, many things changed in my life and many great things happened. So from childhood itself, I was brought, there were challenges. Yes, there were many challenges, but at the same time, I was brought up with good auto suggestions, friends. So it's not important that, it's that there were many negative suggestions as well. I told you, right? My mother can be very unwise sometimes and she can give horrible auto suggestions which will make you weak. So हो गया, हम बुढ़ी हो रहे हैं अभी, हमको अभी पेरेंट्स की जरूरत नहीं है. पेरेंट्स ने हमको जितना ऑटो सजेशन देके हमको जो बनाना था बना दिया. अभी हम अपने आप को पेरेंटिंग करेंगे. वी विल रीपेरेंट आवरसेल्फ. दैट्स व्हाट इनर चाइल्ड डज, राइट? व्हाटएवर इज डन, डन एंड डस्टेड. Now if somebody said you are, many, especially in north, a lot of things also happen with women, birth, right? Yeah, we feel that, oh, we are not good enough because I'm a woman. Because my parents wanted, male child. So now it is an auto suggestion that I'm so blessed to become a woman. Being a woman is so beautiful. It's such a power to become a woman, right? So many different ways we can auto suggest. Sometimes what happens, I have seen that, when there are siblings, it's not true. Sometimes there will be, the love, the mother loves equally, ये नहीं होता है. कभी कभी ऐसा देखा गया है कि सेम फैमिली में एक बच्ची को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस दिया जाता है, उसको एकदम, वो पढ़ाई में अच्छी है तो उसको एकदम उठा के रख देते हैं, दूसरे बच्ची को बिल्कुल भाव नहीं देते हैं, और वो बच्ची ग्रो करती है विथ एन ऑटो सजेशन दैट आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. I think I'm not good enough. That's why my parents don't love me. These are all auto suggestions that we give to ourselves. And then we grow up with all those insecurities, problems in work areas, problems in relationship, problems in health, because I don't feel that I'm worthy of receiving the best. Right? So it's high time now. We will be doing the meditation with this understanding that, from now onwards, I will reparent myself with new auto suggestions. Okay? Chalo, let's do the meditation.